In this tackle trading glossary video, we are going to define a swing trade. The definition of a swing trade is really quite simple. Swing trading refers to a speculative short-term type of trading that attempts to capture gains in a financial instrument within a time frame that can range from a couple of days to a couple of weeks. Whether it's stocks, options, contracts, futures, currencies, doesn't matter. If the goal is to make money in a short time frame within a couple of days to a couple of weeks, that is by definition a swing trade. The statistical average for the markets across the S&P, etc., is about 10 trading days. Now, swing traders rely primarily on technical analysis, chart patterns, and trading indicators, etc., seeking profits from short-term price cycles known as price swings, hence the term swing trading. We've got an example here for you of a swing trade, a quick case study we put together for you on Goldman Sachs. The ticker symbol for Goldman Sachs is GS, and this is a stock that was in a sector that was performing bearish at the time we put this together. And it's in the financial sector, which is, again, bearish, downward trend in the sector. This particular stock also has a very strong looking bearish trend, and it has a low base pattern setup, which is a chart pattern that traders would look for, expecting that downward price action to continue gaining in momentum. This particular example came from our options report a couple of weeks back, and you want to go check that out if you haven't. We've got awesome scouting reports that come out each week giving you awesome setups for swing trades. Now let's take an example and look at this example and zoom in on it and see what actually happened after the trade setup occurred. Now, you'll notice that we've got this broken down into a small loss area, a profit target area 1, and a profit target area 2. And we show the outcome of the trade after the fact. So that it got triggered into the trade about 1 day after the initial setup. It got triggered in, and then it hit its profit objective number 1 within about 7 days. And it took about 12 days to get to an extended profit target before price action reversed and reverted back up to the mean, which just means reverts back to a kind of a median price. It's really, really common for the price to oscillate up and down, and after a big drop, prices tend to rally up, or after a big run up, prices tend to drop down. That's a good example of a swing trade. If you like this little video, come hang out with us over at tackletrading.com. Learn, trade, connect, succeed. Visit bit.ly/join tackle pro and take advantage of our 15-day free trial.